I am so excited to bring to you my Celebrating Love paper crafting kit. What is a paper crafting kit? Well, it can be whatever you want it to be. It's wonderful pieces of ephemera that you can use to make cards, that you can do junk journaling with, scrapbooking with. You could do so many things with. I'll show you some more things in a second, but let me show you some of the designs in here. His banner over me is love. So I've got some different scriptures in here. Chosen and deeply loved. Just a little love note. You make my heart do a happy dance every day. Rain or shine, you're the perfect Valentine. And these are great for some Valentine cards. So you don't even have to write on the inside. You can put some of these like inside the card. If you love a friend, let them go. If they come back with coffee, it was meant to be. Let all that you do be done in love. You brighten my day, Valentine. You are my favorite reason to smile. This could be for any season, obviously. He loved because he first loved us, from 1 John 4:19. Best friends, read your mind, know your heart, and feed your soul. Galantine, be mine. Are y'all going to have a Galantine party this year? I think it would be fun. And nothing else. If nothing else, mail them a card. It's not too early to start thinking about it. Friends are treasures of the heart. Do everything in love. That's from 1 Corinthians 16:14. Love like Jesus. Probably my favorite one in here. We will always be friends till we're old and senile. Then we can be new friends. And I feel like this is timely for the part of life I'm in. You don't have to be crazy to be my friend. I'll teach you. That's another one that kind of makes sense. Perfect love cast out fear. Scripture, sprinkle love everywhere. A friend is one who knows you and loves you just the same. His love lights the way. And these will be so cute as stickers too. You make my heartbeat. And then some fun hearts. And I'm going to show you some more little doodles in a second. But I wanted to say that if you have some kind of, what do you call them? Cutting, like, what do you call that? Where you cut them out? Like a machine that helps you cut them out? I can't think of the name of it. I don't have one. I do my own fussy cutting. This is my sitting and cutting by the TV and enjoying just relaxing. So that is my way of doing things. But again, you may have a Cricut or one of those other cutting machines, and that might be what you love. So here's some more pieces that would be a great addition to your Valentine cards or just good friend cards or whatever. A little bear. And these are pretty, let's see, the colors are very on trend right now, along with a lot of the doodles that I did, because I knew that bows are huge right now. Bears are huge right now. Picture frames are really big. So if you go look on Etsy, you'll see what I'm talking about. Here's a cute little bow, BFF. There's a coffee mug or hot cocoa mug. There's a little bear and the cute little doggy. Look at this poodle. Got to have a poodle for Valentine's Day. Look at the kitty cat. He'd be good for any time. This is one of my favorites. I don't know why. It's simple, but I just love it. I love the boldness of it. And look at this cute little couple. You can make this for an anniversary, or you could do it for, kids, your grandkids or something. Hearts. Hand hearts. Happy Valentine's Day. More hearts. Balloon hearts. Lock and key, and smaller hot cocoa mug, and another heart. So those are some of the items that I've cut out. These are also cutouts from there. Everyone should have a friend like you as a cutout from there. Your swan of a kind is a cutout from there. And here is another one I'll show you. Happy Galantines Day. I put on a cute little pillow box. So you can just do so many things with these paper crafting kits. You can find it in my Etsy shop. I'm going to leave the link below. Have a beautiful day. Happy Valentine's.